10 ml of sodium chloride as a sample in the concrete flask, and we add 10 ml of distilled water. We add 5 drops of fluorescent as an indicator. We put in the purate 0.05 silver nitrate as a titrant. The end point is buffer color.
First, we are gonna put 10 ml of potassium iodide sample in the flask. After that, we are gonna put 10 ml of distilled water in the same flask. Then we are gonna put 5 drops of eosine as an indicator in our flask. Now shaking very well. Finally, we are gonna titrate the sample with silver nitrate drop by drop till the end point. Finally, we reach to the end point when the rose violet precipitate appears.